Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing a early look at the Staff Operating System or OS, Staff OS. It's a private internal workplace that I'm building for the future LumeFrost team. LumeFrost is becoming a connected website and business platform. Building a serious platform means preparing not only the customer experience, but also the people and system responsible for supporting it. So staff OS help the authorized team member manage their shift, communicate internally, accept the responsibility, assist customer with um, clear accountability. Um, the demonstration focus on the support specialist role, but future planned role, which has already been created, include billing specialist, site specialist, domain specialist, operational manager. So the staff OS is still being developed, but part of the system may change through the beta testing as we get some more real world feedback. So as we go through this video right here, we're gonna see what the team member will be using as they work for the team and see how it all works, see how it all come together. So let's go ahead and sign in. I'm gonna be signing in with a support specialist account. Um, it is role-based, the staff OS. Um, so each person will receive pager, permission, and work based on the responsibility rather than the unrestricted access to the entire platform. So support specialist Workspace focus on customer assistant, the team communication, available work, assigned responsibility, and the support history. Alright, so once we log in here, we're gonna land on the overview page right here. I am currently clocked out, so now that we landed here, this page answers one important question: what should I do next? It shows that the specialist shift state, availability, the messenger, the assigned responsibility, the work waiting to be accepted. Um, it also provides the start of shift checklist. It gives staff a consistent routine instead of making them search through several systems just to figure out what to do first. Right now I'm clocked out, but some of the working area are restricted until my shift begins, so this will prevent staff from accidentally performing customer-facing work outside of an active shift. So when you go to my shift, I can clock in or start my break, but I will be able to see all the information about my shift, like my next shift, 9 hour and 30 minutes until I clock in. I will work today, or from my 3 reset time card. Alright, and then I have my clock, my schedule, my work history. This is my availability right now. I'm not clocking in, so I'm unavailable. I have there's 0 active chat, and there's a clock location. Alright, so the availability control what kind of the support work that I'm prepared to accept, and we'll be able to show that right here. Let me clock in. Right now, as you can see, I can't access any of these pages right now. It said open my shift, so no matter what, let's clock in. I'm clocked in, I can start my break. Alright, my schedule. I can see what's coming up in the past, this week, or upcoming. See the work history. Alright, so we're done with this. Oh, actually, we have the time zone right here. So Wherever our support staff live, whatever country, you'll be able to easily set the time zone using your device or in the drop down right here. So go to availability. Now that I'm clocked in, I can see this now. So again, I'm unavailable. I can change my availability to away, ticket only, or available for live chat. So staff should begin as unavailable until they intentionally choose another status. So ticket only means that I can work on customer requests without promising an immediate live response. Uh, Live chat or live availability mean I'm prepared to accept real-time conversation within the capacity allowed for my role. And this demonstration, I'll choose the appropriate availability like this, and it will automatically update the note. So update it. All right, I'm available. You will see it right here, availability, available for live chat. And everything, by the way, is in real time. So any changes I make, I don't even have to ever refresh the page. Everything is immediate, like real time action. So you're never gonna miss a beat. As work do come in, or as people create ticket or live chat, you're going to get notifications that pop up saying, "Hey, there's open work coming in." So keep an eye on that too. You can also change. You also see notification coming in right here. You see that the clock is running. Nothing urgent to pay attention to right now. But I can also change the theme. Um, I can do light mode, dark mode, or I can start my break, clock out, see my schedule, availability, sign out. It's a very clean staff OS. So let's go ahead and check out the team calendar. Alright. So team calendar provides a shared company content. It can include meeting, support cover reviews, releases, operational event, and other dates that the team need to know about. This is separate from my shift. My shift tells me when I'm scheduled to work, but the team calendar tells me what's happening across the company while I'm working, so I can see the path, what went on. Maybe I wasn't working those days. I want to know what's going on. Um, I want to see what's coming up this week that I need to keep in mind, or what's coming up. Okay, and then let's check out the team inbox. All right, so team inbox is a private communication area for LumeFrost staff. It supports direct and group conversation. So attachment, reaction, link record, or read information, it all works. So before creating a new conversation, the staff OS check whether the conversation already exists with the same group of people or with that single person. It helps prevent the duplicate thread or messages so that we prevent scattered information. And these conversations are internal. Anybody outside of LumeFrost won't be able to see anything inside the conversation except what's being shared directly to you. So, these are private notes and nothing the customer is gonna be seeing. So, this editor right here, is very high end. Let me test this out here. Actually, you can get an idea of how the editor works through the conversation here. I have text right here. So how I built this editor is everything works as black. Kind of like a black technology. So when you type flash, you're going to see what type of, by the way, all of this is keyboard accessible. I can do this without ever putting my hand on the mouse. I can just use keyboard shortcut and it will control all of this. Um, so I can maybe upload a table, YouTube video. I can even paste a link of a YouTube video like right here, and it will automatically turn that link into a YouTube block. So, or if I want to click on YouTube video, I can add the link that way. Either way, it works. I can do it in here or right here, and it will show up the video, just like um, right here. This is the YouTube video, so it works pretty good. This is a custom local video that I uploaded, and it's working pretty good. You can download playback speed, show full screen. It's all working pretty good. Table. I can also attach support ticket into here, so I can click on it and view that specific ticket to see what's going on, what that person might need help with. And I can even preview files or images that's being shared. So it does get scanned, so I can have it scanned automatically and have it pair. So everything is working pretty good. Again, I can maybe add code. Yeah, here. It's all working. It is color coded, see? So it does have the right formatting, colors inside of it. I just need to. I'm actually going. I think this is a bag right here. It's not supposed to not cover the highlight completely. Like that. So I'll fix that later on. Let me actually put this right here for a second, so I don't forget. Okay. Alright, so I take that out. We can make a table if we want to. A 2x2 table with a header row or without it. It does. This table does expand as I type. What do you think about it? Send. I can scroll to the bottom. Alright, this table does expand as I type, and what do you think about it? Alright. Also, there's emoji. You can put emoji in here if you want to. You can also reply to a message, a specific message. Maybe I want to reply to this one. Or react to it. I can maybe hide it. Alright. So, I can copy the text message. Alright. So, that's just. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot the most biggest thing that I built right here. So this right here is a voice dictation. I can, if I don't want to type, I can also use voice to text. So, and it worked pretty good. It's working right now, so I'm talking, and let's see if it works. Alright, finalize it. And it worked pretty good. It's working right now, so I'm talking, and let's see if it works. Perfect. Let's paste it in here, and we're good to go. Yep. Send repair. Alright, cool. So that's working. Again, once we get people in here using this, we'll get feedback and improve everything in every way we can. So that'd be pretty fun to do. Alright, so we talked about everything for the inbox already for now. Let's go ahead and move on to like okay, you saw a notification. Yeah, you already saw the so we have open work. If we're ready to accept live chat with a ticket, When somebody make a ticket or a live chat on the LumeFrost actual website or on the contact us page or support page, then it will show up right here. So I can see the open work, and this is what every support specialist sees right here. They all see the same work coming in. So if you can be the first to grab it, that'd be great. So, alright, so when you accept an item, it leaves the shared pool and it becomes my responsibility. And the staff also need to prevent two people from accepting the same request simultaneously. So this handled that very well. So we also got assigned work. So assigned work contained the responsibility that already belonged to me. Like I accepted the work, I accepted it, and it will show up right here. Like this is my work. Alright, and I'll be able to see the status of each work too. So each item clearly show who need help, what the problem is, their priority, the current status, the recent activity, and the expected next step. So maybe one day I'll show you this one with a ticket. So we'll check out the knowledge page. So knowledge gives staff a reliable guidance for common customer situation. An entry may include question to ask, troubleshooting step, privacy warning, or safe response guidance, and escalating instruction. Knowledge promote consistency, but it does not replace the human judgment. Staff must still understand the customer actual situation before responding. So you can't completely rely on them, but this is here to help you. And it's also actually built into the conversation. So I can rely on this as a second choice, but it's actually built into the conversation that you're having with the staff. So this is just, it's here when I need it. So support history. It preserves the record of completed, transferred, and canceled and closed requests. It helped LumeFrost understand what the customer requested, who handled the work, what guidance was provided, and how the situation was resolved. This creates accountability while keeping the complete record out of the active work. And it can also reveal recurring customer problems that may need product improvement instead of repeated customer response. So I can see this is just one of the tickets I might jump into. Just a quick example. These are closed, but see closed support record, but active handoff to Ross. Like let's say I escalated a ticket and I gave it to the billing specialist. This is their own ticket now, and I can keep an eye on it, but I can't reply to the conversation anymore. So yeah, so okay. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you're looking at the conversation from the customer. But right now it's in read only because it's not my assigned work. See what channel the ticket came from. The last shared reply, if they likely seen it. What the waiting time. When was the last time the customer was online. Just something to keep in mind. So that's the end of it pretty much. It's being built around serious expectation. LumeFrost staff should communicate clearly, protect customer privacy, document important decisions, and ask questions before making assumptions. Staff should never request passwords, complete payment information, authentication code, or other private credentials. They should not make promises they cannot keep, hide a mistake, or close work simply to reduce a number. The staff already connect shift availability, communication, notification, customer work, knowledge, and history. However, it's still early stage system that need real world testing, security validation, accessibility review, documentation, honest feedback. All of these things are needed as we put this entire platform into beta. So this walkthrough video right here is focused on the support specialist experience. As LumeFrost grows, Staff OS is gonna be supporting the billing specialist, site specialist, domain specialist, operational manager, and all of these roles has already been created. It's almost done. Just doing a couple more things, but besides that, this platform is becoming pretty close to being done and ready for beta. I can't wait to show you the overall platform itself based on what the customer or business owner see. And we'll save that for another video, but for this video, I'm just showing this because LumeFrost is not only preparing a product, but it's preparing the foundation for a professional company and a real future team. So, thank you for watching this early Staff OS walkthrough video, and I can't wait to see you next time.